The project to restore the Great Sanhedrin of Jerusalem, as presented by the Beith David movement, is based on a profound and spiritual vision for Israel and the world. It is not only a return to the spiritual roots of Israel, but also an initiative for interreligious reconciliation, justice, and a reaffirmation of the core values of the Hebrew people. The Great Sanhedrin represents the ancestral model of wisdom and authority that, according to this vision, could guide Israel in a process of restoring its collective and spiritual soul. By reinstating such an institution, Israel could reclaim its historic role as the light unto the nations, a beacon of justice, truth, and integrity, as prophesied in the Torah and Bible for the nations. This institution could play a key role not only in religious matters, but also in promoting world peace, offering a framework for dialogue among the three great monotheistic religions and eliminating false knowledge and misunderstandings that have long distorted the understanding of Israel's role. For Christians, this represents a step toward the fulfillment of divine promises related to Jerusalem and the people of Israel. It is a path that could open doors to genuine reconciliation, marked by truth and mutual understanding. For Muslims, this project echoes Quran 544, which honors the people of Israel as bearers of guidance and justice. This project to restore the Great Sanhedrin is not merely a symbolic gesture. It is an invitation to join a process of profound transformation where faith, wisdom, and divine light are called upon to guide Israel toward its true fulfillment for the well-being of Israel and all of humanity.
ותתקדש זוהי ירושלים עירך לדור